Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as magnetic ride control, trailer tow package, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, rear DVD entertainment system, heated and cooled leather seats, as well as second row heating, automatic running boards, luggage rack, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, you're going to have this black and wood finish on these doors with lots of extra paneling and storage on the bottom. It's going to come equipped with the Bose premium speaker sound system, as well as seat memory as well. It's going to come equipped with the power lock, power mirrors, and your power windows, as well as your child lock on the back. Of course, it's going to have the chrome finish and the automatic running boards on the side here, as well as you have the seats, premium leather, heated and cooled, power adjustable. Of course, moving inside, we have our heads-up display information, as well as our lane keep assist, our park assist, and as well as our hill descent control. On the left side here, we have our cruise control, forward collision alert, and as well as our heated steering wheel. And on the right side, we have our voice recognition and our odometer and media control. As well as the odometer here, you can see it's the analog and the digital as well. Of course, you can check your fuel mileage, and of course, your average trips, fuel range, as well as your remaining oil life as well. Of course, it's going to come equipped with the classic truck shifter with the trailer tow mode. As well, it's going to have push to start. Of course, moving into the radio and rear climate control, as you can see, it's going to have that dual climate as well as your sync. As well as on the bottom here, you're going to have two USB ports as well as a 12-volt DC port. Moving on to the infotainment system, once you connect your phone, you can connect with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as you control the rear DVD's entertainment system, as well as navigation and OnStar as well. It's also going to have your traffic control as well. Moving over here, we're going to have the center console with electric cup holders. Of course, it's going to have the wireless charging pad with tons of extra storage inside, as well as an extra 12-volt DC port, two USB ports, and an auxiliary port as well. Of course, moving on the passenger side, it's going to have that same leather finish. It's going to have the power adjustable, as well as the heated and cooled. It's going to have the power lock and the power windows, as well as that Bose premium speaker sound system. And of course, you're going to have the glove compartment and that chrome finish on the dash. Top here, you can control your sunroof, as well as your rear liftgate, universal garage door opener, and your reading lamps, and as well as the sunroof. You're gonna have these 22-inch alloy wheels running on Michelin Defender tires with the classic Chevrolet monochrome badging, as well as the monochrome Tahoe mirror cap and door handle finish, as well as with the keyless entry. Of course, you're gonna have that Tahoe badging there, the Chevrolet badge as well. Of course, you're going to have the hands-free lift gate in the back, as well as you're going to have your seats fold just down like that for extra storage here. Of course, you lift this up, got tons of extra storage under there. As well, it's going to come equipped with a 12-volt DC port in the back, extra cup holders, and DC ports for those rear passengers. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior. Of course, we're going to have that same finish on the doors, as well a little less storage on the bottom of the door, but you're going to have that wood finish, and as well as another extra cup holder. Of course, the running boards in the back. You're going to have tons of extra leg room, as well as storage behind the passenger and driver's seat. And moving on to the rear climate, of course, you're going to have your ventilation back here, as well as your rear heated seats, as well as an AC wall charger, 12-volt DC port, two USB ports, as well as an HDMI port for the TV up here. It's going to have the remote just right there. It's going to start up with Chevrolet MyLink as well. Of course, you're going to have the captain seat finish there, and just these seats were put down. It's just going to have that classic bench seat fold. Course, yeah. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8, as well as magnetic ride control, premium leather heated and cooled seats, as well as second row heating, as well as trailer tow package, rear DVD entertainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, you name it. Thank you so much for tuning in today here. We hope you subscribe and hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.